Hey there! Ready to deposit some XRP into your Kraken account? Awesome! Let's get started. First things first, sign into your Kraken account. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and create an account. Once you're logged in, look for the deposit button on the home page. Found it? Great. Click on that deposit button and a new screen will pop up. Now you'll need to search for the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Type in XRP in the search bar and select it from the list. If this is your first time depositing XRP, you'll need to generate a new deposit address. Don't worry, it's super simple. Just click the Generate New Address button. Kraken will then provide you with a unique deposit address. This is where you'll send your XRP. Now, open up your wallet or exchange where your XRP is currently stored. Copy the deposit address from Kraken and paste it into your wallet's send field. Make sure to double-check the address. You don't want to send your XRP to the wrong place. Enter the amount of XRP you want to deposit and hit send. Depending on the network, it might take a few minutes for your funds to arrive in your Kraken account. And there you have it. Your XRP should now be safely deposited in your Kraken account, ready for trading. Easy peasy, right? If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips on crypto investing. Happy trading! Thanks for watching.